Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to see YouTube traffic source analytics. To see where your viewers are coming from, you need to access the reach or content tabs within your YouTube Studio application. So first of all, go ahead and open YouTube Studio application. From there, head to your analytics option, which you can select it from your bottom menu. Then head to the reach or content tab. Now from here you should be able to view all your YouTube traffic source analytics over here. Like, you can also find options like how viewers engaged. By just tapping on it, you can see how people are engaging with your video, and you can also find your total views over here, and you can also find engagements like likes and comments, or even subscribers. And you can also find this option called remix. From here, your content or your remixed contents on your YouTube will also be available over here. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.